People think passive income is about doing nothing and making money. That's not true. Real passive income comes from building smart systems that work for you even when you're offline. In this video, we are sharing 3 smart passive income streams nobody is talking about. Number 1. Sell chatbot templates. Businesses today want instant replies, but most of them don't know how to build automation. This is where you come in. You can create simple chatbot templates for websites or WhatsApp using tools like ManyChat or ChatFuel. Start by designing templates for common use cases like appointment booking, lead generation, or customer support. Once your template is ready, you can sell it on marketplaces or directly to small businesses. The best part is you create it once and sell it multiple times. Over time, you can build a library of templates and turn this into a consistent passive income stream. Number 2. Generate and sell AI stock images. Content creators, businesses, and marketers always need images, but not everyone wants to pay for expensive photo shoots. You can use AI tools to generate high-quality, unique stock images and upload them to platforms like Adobe Stock or Shutterstock. Focus on trending niches like business, technology, lifestyle, or finance. The key is volume and consistency. Create a collection of images, optimize them with the right keywords, and let them generate downloads over time. Once uploaded, your images can keep earning for months or even years without any extra work, making this a powerful passive income source. Number 3. Create short online courses. People are constantly looking to learn new skills, but they prefer short, practical courses instead of long, complicated ones. You can create a 1 to 2 hour course teaching a specific skill you already know. Focus on solving one clear problem, like how to manage business finances, use a tool, or improve productivity. Record your content once, upload it to platforms like Udemy or Gumroad, and let it sell continuously. As more students enroll, your income grows without additional effort. Over time, you can create multiple courses and build a complete passive income ecosystem. If you found this video helpful, then like, share, and subscribe this channel to get future videos.